November 29, 2025, a vulnerable elderly man, reportedly forced into frontline service, was left exposed during a tense moment on the battlefield. As a Russian drone approached his position, he was unable to take cover or defend himself. The incident highlights the growing concerns about the use of untrained and physically unfit individuals in active combat zones, raising serious humanitarian and ethical questions. November 28, 2025, fast and furious, a Russian drone is chasing a Ukrainian pickup truck. One of the soldiers in the vehicle fired back without even looking, but it didn't help. November 28, 2025, a Russian FPV drone was lying in ambush on the side of the road in standby mode. Then a Ukrainian soldier on an electric bicycle appeared, and what followed was inevitable. November 27, 2025, in the Kharkiv region, a fighter affiliated with the Ukrainian armed forces was carrying incendiary mixtures for drones in his backpack. However, Russian forces spotted him in time and captured the arsonist. November 28, 2025, Russian UAV operators destroyed a Ukrainian armed forces vehicle near Konstantinova. The grid armor offered no protection. Several FPV UAVs targeted the area, and now a Hummer is burning in the forest. Near Krasny Lyman, Russian units report the destruction of a Ukrainian armed forces transport bus during ongoing frontline activity. A Russian FPV drone destroyed a Ukrainian shelter with a single precise strike. Another FPV drone captured the entire attack on video, documenting the impact. November 28, 2025, reconnaissance units attached to the 16th Army Special Forces Brigade captured another enemy position held by the 117th Special Forces Brigade in the Chrono Army sector of the front. The operations carried out both from the air and on the ground were documented objectively. November 28, 2025, Russian reconnaissance drones detected a small group of Ukrainian soldiers hiding inside a building in a state of panic. An incendiary drone was then deployed, setting the building ablaze. November 27, 2025, in Kharkiv, a UAV from the 44th Army Corps detected and destroyed a Ukrainian shelter, showcasing precise aerial targeting on the front line. November 2025, FPV UAVs ambushed and destroyed a BTR-4E armored personnel carrier. The drone, lying in standby mode, struck and eliminated the Ukrainian armored vehicle with a single precision hit. November 28, 2025, a Russian Air Force helicopter carried out a precision strike on a building used by Ukrainian forces. Using a guided missile, the crew targeted the structure with accuracy, and footage from the scene provides clear visual confirmation of the impact. The strike demonstrates the continued use of guided munitions in frontline engagements. November 26, 2025, Russian reconnaissance teams monitoring the front line detected subtle movement inside a trench line ahead. 2 Ukrainian soldiers emerged cautiously, their posture revealing hesitation as they tried to assess the situation around them. For several seconds, neither side made a decisive move, a tense pause that often defines close-quarters encounters on this part of the front. Then the calm broke. A Russian FPV drone, already tracking the position, executed a precise overhead detonation designed to disrupt the defenders and force them into cover. Almost immediately afterward, A coordinated artillery strike followed, landing close enough to overwhelm the position and leave the soldiers with no choice but to retreat deeper into the trench network. The sequence reflected the layered tactics now common across the sector, where drones, observation teams, and supporting fire operate in tight synchronization to pressure Ukrainian positions and limit their ability to maneuver. In this environment, even brief moments of uncertainty can quickly turn into decisive engagements shaped by speed, coordination, and constant aerial surveillance. November 28, 2025. A camouflaged shelter where Ukrainian armed forces personnel were hiding was discovered in the Constantine direction. Drone operators targeted and destroyed the enemy shelter, whose entrance was concealed with 2 layers of camouflage netting. 2 drones breached the entrance, and a 3rd drone detonated inside, neutralizing the position. West of the village of Alexandrovka in the Sumy region, Russian aviation used UMPK-guided FAB munitions against a Ukrainian armed forces position, continuing pressure on this sector of the front line. In the Novofedorka area of Donetsk, Russian units report carrying out a concentrated strike on a Ukrainian armed forces facility, adding pressure to this active sector of the front. In the Kharkov region, Russian units report the destruction of Ukrainian M113 and BAT-T-type vehicles during ongoing frontline engagements, reflecting continued pressure on Ukrainian armored assets. November 26, 2025. An American armored personnel carrier lies at the bottom of the Oskol River. Fiber-optic FPV UAVs used by the Zapad group struck a Ukrainian M113 armored vehicle at a crossing point near Kupianskoye. After the attack, the enemy vehicle rolled into the river. During a duty rotation in the Zaporizhia region, an assault group was moving toward the contact line in a pickup truck when an enemy FPV drone approached from behind. One of the soldiers spotted the UAV, the driver accelerated, and the personnel opened fire, successfully destroying the enemy drone. During reconnaissance, a Russian FPV drone detected a Ukrainian vehicle without doors. The engagement that followed resulted in the vehicle being neutralized. November 10, 2025. A Russian FPV drone detected a Ukrainian pickup truck during reconnaissance. Most personnel managed to exit the vehicle in a state of panic, except for 2 soldiers who remained inside. Krasnoarmeysk direction. An HMMWV equipped with an electronic warfare system was neutralized. The soldiers inside the vehicle spotted the FPV drone too late, and some exited after it was too late. The high-speed FPV drone struck the armored vehicle, causing it to catch fire. 4 Ukrainian infantrymen were detected by a Russian FPV drone while moving through open ground. Searching desperately for cover, they entered a small structure near a cemetery, but their movements had already been tracked. Moments later, the drone operators launched multiple precision strikes. Explosions tore through the building, reducing it to rubble, leaving no place to hide. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. A Ukrainian soldier pleaded with a Russian drone operator to spare his life. The incident occurred on a section of the Zaporizhia front. November 23, 2025. The enemy lost its tanks in Orakovo. Fiber-optic FPV UAV operators from the Dnepro Air Force identified Ukrainian tanks in a hangar in Orakovo, Zaporizhia region. The KVN pilot skillfully navigated past barbed wire and struck one armored vehicle. Another UAV recorded the destruction of an additional enemy armored vehicle. November 23, 2025. Near Podoli, a Ukrainian UAV launcher belonging to the 14th Brigade was successfully destroyed by an LMUR strike. The precision-guided munition neutralized the target swiftly, showcasing the effectiveness of modern long-range drone and missile systems in targeting enemy reconnaissance assets. This operation underscores the growing role of advanced precision weapons in shaping battlefield outcomes. November 10, 2025. Russian armed forces destroyed a heavily fortified Ukrainian mechanized bridge over the Oskil River in the Petrovka region using FPV UAVs and Tornado-S multiple launch rocket systems. Ural reconnaissance troops from the 90th Division, part of the Operational Group Center, are actively engaging Ukrainian forces in the Dnipropetrovsk region. Their operations focus on neutralizing robotic systems, enemy weaponry, and fortified positions, providing crucial support for advancing Russian units. Using coordinated strikes and intelligence from forward observers, the troops systematically degrade Ukrainian defenses, allowing Russian forces to maintain momentum across the front line. This footage demonstrates the combined use of reconnaissance, precision targeting, and tactical planning in modern battlefield operations. In a tense encounter, a Ukrainian FPV kamikaze drone targeted fighters from the Salyut Battalion Tactical Group of Akhmet Special Forces. Despite the drone's aggressive pursuit, Russian personnel successfully avoided the strike, showcasing quick reactions and battlefield awareness. The footage highlights the high-speed dynamics of modern FPV drone engagements and the importance of training in countering unmanned threats. Ukrainian Armed Forces UAV control point in Stavky was destroyed using Molia missiles. UAV operators from Russia's 45th Airborne Brigade, part of the 144th Motorized Rifle Division, employed both Molia and FPV drones to strike and eliminate a complex UAV control hub belonging to Ukraine's 60th Airborne Brigade on the outskirts of Stavky. Novgorod Prince Vandal fiber optic FPV UAV operators neutralized a Ukrainian Armed Forces T-64BV tank in the northern part of Krasnoarmysk, Pokrovsk. Another heavily armored Ukrainian vehicle was also struck during operations conducted by pilots from various Russian armed forces units.